Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, November the 12th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And today, yes, again, there are no extra Sudokus. Let me focus this. Yes. No extra Sudokus. Let me check. Let me zoom this out. Yes. No extra Sudokus. That means, yeah, only one Sudoku to solve today. And I think the publisher this month, I think 3 or 4 times they have not published the extra Sudokus or an additional. I do not know why, and it's not on a special day they won't publish. I do not know. No, only one regular Sudoku. Just a few pages. Let me check. This. No, this is not the puzzle. No. Today, no extra Sudokus. So, yes, that's it. Let me go back. So we are going to solve only one regular, and that is this one. This one. Let me zoom this. Medium Sudoku, and last time I have made a big mistake. Yes, a big mistake because the numbering. I have made a mistake with the numbering. Mistake. Let me say not a big mistake. It's an happy accident. Yes, just like Bob was said, an happy accident. Yes, it's not 1875, but it's 1876. This one. So unhappy accident, yes. And I've already counted the printed digits. This one has 26. If we compare with the Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2-star Sudoku. Alright. So, let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. How about in this big square? We have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then, in this first row we have a 4 here, a 4 in the third row. So in the second row the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then and I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see, an 8 in this row, an 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Alright, we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. How about in this big square we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle a row. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see. No. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then. 3 missing numbers in the first column. 1 of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. 1, 8, 3, 5. 5, alright. We have here 2 numbers left in the first column. The 5 and the 7 are missing. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, yes, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this big square are the 2, the 6, and the 9. No, and the 7. Yeah, and the 7. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. We see here 2, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 2 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing in this big square, and the 9 is missing. How about those? 2 boxes left in this middle row for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Then in this column, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 2 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 1 and 5. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. That means 1 box left in the second column. 1 and 5. This number should be the number 1. 1 is no 1 and 5. 2 is missing here. 2 is missing, yes. So now we have 1 box left in this big square for the number 5, yes. 1 box left in this row, the second row for the number 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 3 boxes left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2, should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here also a 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes. 1, 2, and the 5 are missing here. I cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 boxes? 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. The 9 is missing. Alright, so the 3 and the 9. The 3 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 4? Those 2, 2, and the 7 are missing here in this big square. 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. How about those 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8 is missing. 8 is missing here. Right. I need pairs. So let me fill some numbers. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 9 and the 3. Oh, we have a 3 here. Stupid. 3, 3, yes. 3 and a 9. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 place for the 9. Here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So the last row, only 3 place for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3. We see there 3. So no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. 2 boxes left. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Could be faster, but yeah. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. There are no extra Sudokus today. No additional, so only one. See you then. Bye-bye.